Hello and welcome to uMore's product demo. When we start to onboard our users, we get a sense of knowing why they came here to uMore, so we know how to personalize the app for them. We take their demographics to get an understanding of exactly how their mental well-being relates to their gender, their employment status and their age, and we also provide them with the opportunity to set notifications to get reminders to check in. This is the beginning of the onboarding, where we introduce them exactly how uMore works. We're going to start with a check-in. This is what we do to understand the user's mood. So you have a choice of picking a face that represents how you feel, and also emotions, either positive or negative, and the user can explore which ones map onto them. Then the user has the ability to add custom context to explain how they feel. In this case, I've had good sleep, I've been feeling excited, and also I've been relaxing while socializing alongside family. But you can also add custom categories as well as notes to your check-in. So in this case, let's say I want to add a category for my diet because this is important for me to track this in terms of being able to correlate this to my well-being. So once I have my category, I'm going to say that what I want to track is my healthy eating. So I'll type that in, and then after I type it in, I can pick a custom icon in order to track it. Now we have a library of hundreds of icons so that the personalization makes sense for the user because mental health is unique to all of us. Once I've picked my icon, let's keep on going with the check-in. Once we've completed it, we then ask the user to complete what we call psychometric questionnaires. Now these are scientifically backed surveys in order to measure stress, anxiety, and depression from the user. These have been used in thousands of research studies, and they are the best way that we have at being able to ask the user questions about their stress, anxiety, and depression to understand it very scientifically. So as you're answering the multiple choice questions, the uMore algorithm is calculating your score. Let's go and check the results. As we can see, our well-being index is a number of 55, and this is made of an aggregate of our stress, anxiety, and depression scores. And we provide information so that the user can understand what exactly is driving their stress, anxiety, and depression. They can understand this through the scores themselves and then a big picture through our well-being index. Now on this well-being page, they can also track the changes to their mood over time, as you can see on this chart, and you can also learn more about how the words are influencing how we feel. You can also see what makes you shine, as well as what you enjoy less, insights to make you have the best decisions in order to live the best life. This is what we call the Today screen. This will show all of the things which are relevant to your most recent check-in. So we help you understand your emotions. We just said that we felt excited, happy, and pleased, and we provide insight and questions to help us better understand how it is that we feel. We also show what has happened since the last time your mood has changed, so that you understand what are the things that help you feel better, and maybe what are the things that are making you feel worse. We also have this feature called Buddies. Now this allows you to look at the well-being of your friends and family and sending them some love. This way you can stay in touch with the people around you and understand how they're feeling. We also have a built-in gratitude journal. A lot of evidence suggests that gratitude journaling is very helpful for improving mental health outcomes. So we've attached this within the Today screen so that the users can practice gratitude daily. We also have a short section of self-care, but we'll get to that later. This is the tracking interface. As you can see, it shows a record of how you have felt every day from your check-in. So we can actually come back and see that we felt great because we were excited reading by ourselves. And we can even add a note to say, I was hopeful because I was meditating that day. Now this is super helpful as it helps us spot patterns over time, and that in turn makes us make better decisions for our well-being. We also can have a monthly view, which gives you a bird's-eye view of the situation in order to then understand what your patterns for your well-being are. This is the self-care tab. These are evidence-based exercises which are designed to improve the way that you feel. This is an exercise which is about finding what are your drivers of your stress, your physical signs, your mental signs, and your behavioral signs. It's interactive and these activities have a positive feedback rate of over 90%. There's an entire library here. We collect feedback in order to better understand what works well for the user, and that way we can continue to personalize the support that we give the user in order to help them with their mental health. We take this feedback in the text box, and we're constantly using this to refine and improve the product. As mentioned, there are many activities available here in interactive, audio, and also video format.